Are you looking for the most honest DJI Osmo Pocket 3 review out there? The truth is, this tiny little camera just completely killed my expensive heavy mirrorless camera setup in 3 very specific situations. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why carrying around a massive camera body is slowly becoming a thing of the past. If you are still using a heavy camera or relying just on your phone for everything, you are losing precious time. You're missing out on incredible footage simply because your gear is too slow to set up. Do not sell your current camera until you finish watching this entire video. I promise you will look at content creation in a completely different way by the end of this. Let us be completely honest with each other for a second. How many times have you seen a perfectly beautiful moment happen right in front of you? You frantically pull out your phone, unlock the screen, and open the camera app. Or maybe you try to balance a clunky mechanical gimbal that takes forever to calibrate. But by the time you are finally ready to hit record, that golden moment has already vanished forever. Or even worse, you try filming with your smartphone in a low-light situation. You get home, look at the footage, and it is so grainy and noisy that you cannot even post it. The setup tax is the hidden cost of content creation that drains your energy before you even start filming. It completely destroys your creative flow and makes you want to leave your camera at home. Every single minute you spend twisting knobs and balancing gimbals is a minute you could have spent actually capturing the story. This exact frustration is what makes so many creators burn out and give up entirely. You do not need to hear another boring list of technical specifications. Let us talk about what these numbers actually mean for your daily life as a creator. People always talk about the incredible 1-inch sensor on this device. What that simply means is that this tiny camera absorbs significantly more light than your brand new smartphone. It turns dark, unusable scenes into crisp, cinematic shots with genuine depth of field. You can literally film inside a dimly lit cafe at night and the footage will still look incredibly clean. You will get that beautiful blurry background naturally, without any fake digital processing. Now, let us talk about the stabilization system. Electronic stabilization on your phone works by aggressively cropping into your frame to hide the shakes. Whenever you walk or run, it digitally warps the edges of your video, making it look highly unnatural. This camera uses a real, physical 3-axis mechanical gimbal. When you walk down the street, the lens literally glides through the air. Your footage instantly looks like it belongs in a high-budget Hollywood movie. And then there is the brilliant 2-inch rotating screen. With just one simple physical twist of this screen, the camera powers on instantly. It also allows you to switch from shooting a horizontal cinematic video straight into a vertical format. You do not have to crop your footage in the editing room and lose half of your video resolution anymore. It is ready for long-form content and ready for short-form content in a fraction of a second. The autofocus mechanism is so incredibly fast that it locks onto your face and never lets go. You can move around freely because the camera automatically tracks your every single movement. You essentially have an entire camera crew built into a device that fits in your pocket. You might have noticed something interesting about the audio quality right now. Even though there is a lot of traffic and heavy background noise around me, my voice is still crystal clear. That is because I am using the wireless microphone that comes included right inside the Creator Combo box. It connects instantly the second you turn it on without any complicated pairing process. Many of you have asked me how to get this exact professional audio setup. If you want to save yourself hours of searching, I have placed a direct link to the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo right at the top of the video description. You can check the current pricing and availability directly from the official store. Getting the combo from the start is much more cost-effective than trying to buy every single accessory separately later on. It is the exact setup I am using to film this video right now. However, to make this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 review completely fair and objective, we need to talk about the downsides. I am not here to just praise everything. There are 2 critical weaknesses you absolutely must know before you spend your hard-earned money. First, because this utilizes a real mechanical gimbal, it is physically sensitive to impact. If you drop this hard onto solid concrete or get sand inside the moving motors, it will break. It is not a rugged action camera meant for extreme sports, and you have to treat it with a little bit of respect. Second, if you only film 5-second videos of your pets once a month, buying this is a complete waste of your money. Your smartphone is perfectly fine for that casual level of shooting. This device was engineered specifically for people who are serious about upgrading their visual storytelling. It is designed for creators who want professional quality without the headache of hauling around professional gear. If you do not fit into that specific category, you really should just save your money. I want you to be absolutely sure this fits your personal workflow before you make a purchasing decision. If your time is truly valuable, this camera changes everything about how you create. If you want a pocket-sized device that instantly delivers cinematic quality without requiring a degree in filmmaking, this is not just an expense. It is a direct investment into the growth of your channel and your ultimate creative freedom. My absolute strongest advice after testing this thoroughly is to skip the standard version and go straight for the Creator Combo. The included wireless microphone and the extra battery handle alone make it completely worth the investment. I have pinned the official link with the best available price right at the very top of the description and the pinned comment. Click that link right now to see the current deal before it potentially goes out of stock. So, what happens to my heavy, expensive mirrorless camera setup? I am still going to use it for professional studio photography and highly controlled commercial video shoots. But for vlogging, travel, and everyday content creation on the go, the Pocket 3 has completely taken over as my #1 primary camera. It simply brings the joy and spontaneity back into filming. Thank you so much for watching this comprehensive review. I really appreciate your time, and I will see you in the next video.